Hello friends and fans, welcome to Agado Getaway. I'm Lena and I'm in somebody else's kitchen today. I am borrowing a friend's space because they have an amazing stand mixer, and today I am making a gay cake. What is gay about this cake? Well, I'm making it and it's gonna be a rainbow cake. So I'm just gonna do it. It's not a how to bake anything video. I'm just using a box cake and whipping it up very simply. And so I'm gonna do this very fast, and then I will be back here talking with you guys when I'm decorating. So I'll see you soon. So I am now back in my significantly smaller kitchen, but I wanted to show you guys an update of where Gay Cake is at. He had to cool down some, but this is what we're working with. And what I'm going to do is just white icing on him. I'll go ahead and record that since I think I forgot to say this in the beginning. It's just a basic white cake, which is why I spent like 10 minutes separating egg whites from the yellows. It's also a double batch. I had the 2 boxes of the cake mix, and yeah, I think it's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna cut into it tonight so that you guys can see my finished work, and then I have a photo shoot scheduled for tomorrow where the rest of the gay cake will hopefully be demolished. I will never claim to be a like how to do a baking thing. My cake did end up lopsided. I do think I forgot to mention that I used both 8-inch and 9-inch pans because I didn't have enough 9-inch pans at my friend's house, and I forgot to bring my own 9-inch pans because I have 2 of them. So I could have made it happen. I could have made it work. And then in retrospect, of course, I remember the last time we did a rainbow cake, we did use my 9-inch pans with her 9-inch pans. But that's okay. I've got a 5-layer cake, and it used 3 whole tubs of, you know, icing from the shelf, and I would not leave you guys without seeing it cut into, so I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. Oof, where do I want to? I think, of course, because it's perfectly center on here, it's not. I'm going to cut it on this side that's closer to the edge. I did just decide to go with a simple white icing. This is going to be a thing. Okay, guys. Oh, there it is. I did leave a little part of the purple, so I'll put that there. I'm covered in icing. Oh my gosh. Okay, put that there. That there. That's what the cake looks like on the inside. Not the prettiest, most perfect rainbow cake, and I just lost a piece to the floor, but I think it'll be pretty good. Right. I can't end this without trying it. Fork. I won't say that I'm a how-to baking channel, but I do know what I'm doing. This cake is not overcooked. It is perfect. It is light. It is fluffy. It is rainbow. So with that, thank you guys for joining me again for one of my 30 Days of Pride videos. I will have friends help me dispose of the rainbow cake tomorrow. And if you liked this, please like this video and leave a comment letting me know you liked this, because I'm not opposed to doing more nonsense like this. I had fun with it. I hope you guys had fun too. I hope you're having an amazing day, whether it is morning, afternoon, or night. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!